Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy B Dot, man. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail of this video, man, your boy got some brand new kicks, man. As you guys can see with that Jordan 4s, bro, yellow thunders. As you guys can kind of tell by the box shit, fresh as fuck, says flight and shit. Little Jordan logo too, forgot about that shit. So as y'all can see, bro, we got them in size 11 and shit, bro. Hey, so it's probably gonna be fresh, as you guys can tell, man. Cause like I ain't gonna lie with y'all, bro, I've been kind of waiting for this moment, bro. I kind of wanted these for a really long time, I'll be honest with y'all, cause like I already got the red thunders, as you guys can tell. Got them red thunders, but I got a bunch of shoes already in my wall. I gotta decorate this part even more, but like you guys can see, got a bunch of shit. So hey, man, enough of that shit, bro. Let's just begin the fucking review and shit. So as you guys can see, man, this is a whole box of shit. And let's go ahead and check it out real quick. And damn, bro, yeah, nah, y'all niggas see this shit? God damn, that shit a little fresh, a little low key though. That shit low key. Nah, this shit a little tough though, on real shit. Like, this shit look a little tough though. Nah, hold on, real shit, hold on, let me hold it real quick. Ooh, this shit a little rough, bro, on game shit. Damn, bro, this shit a little tough though. Look at this shit. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all real quick. So y'all can see, bro. Ooh, look at that shit. It says flight, bro, the little Jordan logo too. Shit, look at them laces too. Like, god damn. Oh my god, bro, this shit look fire though. Like, nah, this shit looks a little crazy though. God damn, look at the bottom too. Hold on, let's look at the bottom. Oh, that shit look crazy, bro. This shit look crazy, bro. This shit look, nah, this shit go tough though. Low key, not gonna even gonna lie with you. Hold on. I'm gonna remove this bitch off this shoe, bro, because like somebody trying to have that. Y'all can see from the inside too, bro. Size 11, bro, type shit. Let's see if it shows. Yeah, it barely shows right there, as you guys can see. Size 11, men's and whatever. Like, y'all can see it, bro. God damn, these shoes look fire, bro. Even though laces too, bro. Like, oh my god, this shit look fire. Hold on, let's check the other shoes too, bro. Ooh. Nah, I ain't gonna lie with y'all, bro. Nah, y'all gotta cop some shit like this, bro. Lookick, bro, really did their thing this time, bro. Egg shit, nah, like, I ain't even gonna lie with y'all. Like, look at this shit. Ooh, that shit go crazy, bro. What the fuck? Hold on, is there more shit? Nah, there ain't no more shit. But yeah, as you guys can see, though, this is basically how the shoe looks and whatever. I almost dropped the shoe foot. But yeah, though, as you guys can see, this is how it looks, bro. But I'm gonna definitely put this shoe right there, bro, where the red thunders and shit are. But that shit finna look crazy, though. Nah, I ain't gonna lie with y'all, bro. I'm beady, this shit finna look crazy, though. Gig shit. I got a lot with y'all. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these a lot, bro, because these do look crazy. Like, no funny shit, bro. Look at the little air bubbles too, bro. Those go crazy. Damn, bro. Nah, Lookick, bro. Check them out, bro. Check them out. No cap, bro. Y'all gotta check them bitches out, bro, because y'all gotta check them out, bro. These niggas really did their thing on gang shit. Like, look at this. God damn, the details. Shit, low-key, it kind of looks like the red thunders, but just yellow. I mean, they literally the same shit, but like, you know, yellow type shit. Low-key, I love these more than the red thunders. I'm gonna be honest. I'll just be honest with y'all niggas, bro. This shit this shit a little tough though. This shit a little tough. Hold on. I'm about to I'm about to bring the red thunders real quick. That way you guys can see them real quick. Hold on. Nah, but yeah, as you guys can see though, this is basically the red thunders and shit. These are the yellow thunders. I know these probably look a little crazy because I kind of creased them a lot. I mean, I don't know if, I mean, it's not really creased, but like, I wore these a lot. These, bro, are recently new, so yeah, I'm probably gonna do the same, like, you know, loose lace style with these, bro. I mean, with this, I mean, it's like, shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie with y'all though. This shoe look tough though. This shit low-key looks tough, bro. I'm gonna definitely be wearing this more than this one. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, like, no cap, bro. Like, which I got like, bro. Like, let's be honest, bro. Y'all probably like this one more, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, this one look fire too, but like, this one, bro, I'll be honest with y'all, bro. My own opinion, this shit look fire though. This look tougher, bro. Like, this one look tough too, but like, let's be honest, bro. Gangster, let's be honest, bro. This shit look, you go crazy. I'd definitely be wearing this. Nah, but real stuff, bro. Real shit. I ain't gonna lie. Lookick really did their thing on this one though. Like, yo, hold on. Let me just give you guys a closer look. Like, damn, bro. Shit, bro. Yo, like, low-key, I ain't gonna lie with y'all, bro. I just can't wait to wear these shoes, bro. These shoes do look tough. I'll be honest with y'all, bro. I just can't wait to wear these things, bro. I'll be honest with y'all, bro. Lookick really did their thing, bro. And by the way, there's gonna be a little discount code too in the description. So if you guys want to cop some pairs, bro, of these, hey, go ahead and cop it, bro. It's gonna be like $15 off and shit. So it's pretty worth it. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. But damn, though, look at that detail fresh as hell, though. The real shit. Like, I ain't gonna lie with y'all. This detail right here is crazy, though. Like, damn. Like, I still can't believe it, too. That's crazy, bro. I'm still mind blown off this shit, but yeah, man. There's nothing really else to review, though. Like, this is all the shoes and shit like that. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. Because these shoes do look pretty fresh, bro. I ain't gonna lie with y'all. But real shit, though. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this, bro. Go ahead and cop it. Lookkick.ru, bro. Link in the description, in the comments, everywhere, bro. But either further ado, bro. Hey, it's your boy B. Dot, bro. And peace out, bro.